My name is Paul Busby, Director of Projects at BIM Object USA. BIM Object links the complex technology of CAD and BIM with architects, engineers, contractors, and the building product manufacturing industry. BIM Object is a Dunn Edwards partner for BIM content development and hosting. This video will demonstrate how to search bimobject.com to find Dunn Edwards paints, download the Autodesk Revit material libraries, ADS-KLib file format, open them in Revit, add materials to the project materials browser, and finally how to apply the paint to a surface. Let's start by navigating to bimobject.com. In the search box, search for Dunn Edwards and select the manufacturer name from the drop-down. Click one of the product cards in the search results. Each product card represents a different Dunn Edwards paint collection. Click the download button. In this collection you will see that there are 3 ADS-KLib files to choose from: eggshell, flat, or semi-gloss. Click the button below one of the material library files to download to your hard drive. In Revit, I will first demonstrate how to open a material library. Click Manage, then click Materials. Click Open Existing Library, browse for and select the desired material library file. In the right pane of the library panel, there are now 2006 different paint colors to choose from. Let's add colors to our project materials library. Double-click a paint color to add it to the project materials library, or drag and drop. I will add a few so that we have some color options when applying the paint. Clicking a paint color in the project material library panel will provide the end user with information specific to the paint color selected. Click OK when done. To apply the paint, click Modify, and then click the drop-down beside the paint icon and click on Paint. The window that opens will display all the materials added to the project material browser. The materials list may be large, so use the search box to search for paint. The list may still be large, so you can also try searching for Dunn Edwards. Doing this will filter down the list so it's even smaller. Click the desired paint color from the list and click a surface in your project to apply. As we apply the paint to the walls, you can see how it schedules in the window below, providing the end user with valuable manufacturer and product information. Visit bimobject.com/DunnEdwards to download the Dunn Edwards Autodesk library files today.